Yes! That's where it is. Jack, did you do it? How deep was it? What's up, guys? Lou here, back with another video, and today I've got something I am very excited for, and I know you are very excited for too, because this is probably the single most requested item in Unbox Therapy history. This is the $4 smartphone, Android smartphone. It's running Android, it has a touchscreen. It's $4. All right, let that sink in for a minute. When this thing got announced, I had my Twitter blowing up. It's probably still blowing up. People are saying, Lou, get the $4 phone. We want to see the $4 phone. Is it real? Is it vapor? Does it exist? This $4 phone situation is a little bit complicated because it turns out that the group selling the $4 phone was actually just rebranding a phone from somebody else, and in some cases, reportedly, using whiteout to switch the brand name. Are you kidding me? This is the original. This is the knockoff that got knocked off. Anyways, these things are fresh in from India, and we're about to find out what the hell a $4 phone does. I have two of them. Maybe win one of these. I guess I'll give one away, I guess. I don't know. Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. I'll let you know more there. Adcom. More than expect. Not expected. Expect, and it starts with an X. Do not accept it. The rest of the sticker is covered. I assume it says if it's damaged or something. Well, anyhow. Advantage Computers India, Kirti, Nagar, Industrial Area, New Delhi. Well done. Runs Android 5.1 Lollipop, 4-inch touchscreen, gig of RAM, 5 megapixel rear camera. It all seems too good to be true. Dual SIM card slot. All right, enough about the box. Let's do the damn thing. Ooh, I don't even know how you get a box like this on its own for $4. Here is the phone. Okay, I mean, it kind of feels like a toy. I mean, kind of feels like maybe like a small iPhone, sort of. One thing I kind of like right now is the texture on the back of the device. Let's see if it has any battery life. Or is the battery even inside of it? Hold up. You probably have to install it. You do. Ships with no battery inside. Look at this. Extra screen protector. Some headphones. Micro USB. European power brick. How about the accessories? So the battery, not huge. 1500 milliamp hours, right? There we go. Okay. The dual SIM card trays. Now, you're probably wondering, why would there be dual SIM card trays? I'm not complaining about it, but in certain places, typically emerging markets, this is a feature that's in high demand for various reasons. You can actually keep 2 phone numbers in here. So that's a feature we don't even see on a lot of premium phones. Also, micro SD card slot for storage expansion. Pretty surprising. That was abrupt. So I'm guessing this is not a fingerprint scanner down here. I think there's a pen mark. Like somebody drew with pen on the inside of there. Look at that. Fairly quick. It's got a bit of an iOS type of vibe, skin to it. You can see the browser looks like a Safari logo. The touchscreen, it's got this weird vibe where it's recessed quite a bit from the actual surface. Therapy, good. Wow, you know what? Pretty snappy, dare I say, for something that is the cost of a toy.
Did I switch to the creaky chair? What's up, guys? Lou here, back with another video.
I mean, I've heard probably worse speakers on phones that cost 100 times more than this.
That I've ever seen.
If it's true, if you can find this thing for $4, I just don't understand how you can compare it to what else is out there, because, I mean, you could drop this thing in a lake and not even be bothered. I mean, you paid more for your lunch. But could I ask for more? I don't know. I mean, it's not a Galaxy S7 screen, that's for damn sure. But it's getting the job done. I'm watching Unbox Therapy right now. This is where things are gonna get a little sketchy though, in the camera. Probably, I'll say once again, better than I expected. So that looks more like a painting than a photo. than a photograph. I know it's more complicated because you got this wacko rebranding whiteout on the name Adcom for the company that's selling this exact phone for $4. So who knows what kind of sketchy business is going on? I mean, I'm not saying that there is, but I'm not saying that there's not. How they're able to actually offer something like this for $4, because Jack can't even have a good time for $4. Trust me, he's tried. I gotta say, if you need a phone and you're short for cash, I'm gonna recommend it. Go get yourself a $4 phone. It's amazing. You're on your phone and you're shooting 4K. I remember when 4K was just a dream. And I used to read Word Up magazine.